People, tornado alarm just going off. Just got an alert. It's 1:25 in the morning. I'm out here. Let me show you what it looks like. Hear the alarm? Look, this is where I live. Watch this. You see? In the woods, you don't see nothing. Let me come out here for a second. It's starting to storm. Oh boy. Let me see. I better get dressed and get... That's a tornado. You hear it? Watch. I'm getting dressed. I can hear it. I'm getting in the truck. I can hear it. I'm getting in the truck. I'm out here. I'm looking. Let me see if I can turn the camera. Give me a second. Let me. It's my horse trailer. What the hell is this? What is this stuff? Oh, it's just the concrete. Okay. We did have a tornado touch. The alarms were going off. People, give me a second. Entra para dentro. Hey, people, you hear it? There's my jet ski. You hear it? Look. I'm using this powerful light right here. Oh, it's so damn windy. You see? Story. Everybody, I mean, I live in the woods. I only have like 2 neighbors. Look at that. There's the road. Give me a second. There's the road. You can all see. All right, 1 second. You see? It's all woods. I'm looking for it. Give me a second. I don't hear it no more. It means that it hit ground, alarm went off, and then it went back off. But I look at the satellite, I have a live satellite, and for the next hour, it's going to be very dangerous. If you are in 15 minutes from Mississippi, 30 minutes from Tennessee and Alabama, Give me a second. It will sound like a train. Whoa! I don't hear it no more. Give me a second. Oh my God, I stepped on a hole. Oh my God. Give me a second. It's coming from that location. All right. I'll be back. Okay, I'm walking. I tell you, I live in the woods. I have no internet over here, so anybody trying to go live with me, it won't work. There's my ducks. My chickens are okay. Fellas, where's your sister at? Where did she go? Supposed to be 4. This is what happens. Give me a second. Hear it? No more tornadoes right now. Oh man. Okay, I'll be back. See? Tornado alarm, 1:45. I came back in. No more tornado sound. The alarms are off. Here I am. Keep making videos. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Mikel.